In this video, I'm checking out Diana Ankudinova. This is her performance of Fly Away on the Wings of the Wind. Show Maska episode 9, Diana Ankudinova Fly on the Wings of Wind. When we check out more Diana on this channel, make sure to smash like and subscribe, and we go. Here she's singing with a mask on, yeah? I don't think I've seen Diana sing with a mask on. That is her doing the opera sound. There are no subtitles. That is her doing the orchestra opera sound. I'm in disbelief. Wow. Yeah, that is definitely Diana's voice, yeah. What? It's like I can recognize Diana's voice when she's doing like the low register that she typically does, but when she goes like super high tone and pitch, opera vibes, classical music type, I didn't, what? I had to even check if that was if I was clicking on I had clicked on the right video. What? It reminds me so much of like her performance of Rechinka. I'll leave it to pop up here at the end screen. In Rechinka, she has that like mystical, chilling vibe. It's not opera, but it has like that folk sound. Yeah. So this one has that like folk sound mixed in with like opera, classical music type. I'm in shock. Okay, I have to smash like for that, but I'm in shock. I'm like, what? Can I just see what the top comment says? Let me translate it. It's in Russian, but let me just translate it and see what it says. It says, Diana is heard in every letter. One can only imagine what a great job Diana did on her voice. Gorgeous and divine. I'm from Germany, and every time I tremble that Diana stays as long as possible in this show. Hey. I didn't know that Diana could sound like an opera person. Let me check one last comment. I'm in shock. Incredible. Someone saying incredible. Closing your eyes as if you're riding a horse through the meadows. Very good imagery, because I also got it in my head. I just didn't know how to describe it. Until you throw your head back and catch the fresh, cool morning air with the full chest. Yeah, it feels like that when she's singing like that in that opera sound. Anyway, if you've enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. That was unbelievable. And I did another reaction to Diana while on the show Must Go On. I'll leave it right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.